Good morning. This is April 2023, and I just wanted to take you all on my rose garden tour because it's gonna rain soon. So I wanted to take a video of the garden before it rained. And there you got pumpkin patch, a shrub rose. That's an Oso rose. Here's another one. Look, they're so pretty. Probably have 100 roses. That's red drift. This one is not in bloom, but it's getting ready to bloom. Everyone loves this rose, and it's called, look how huge it is. It's a huge rose in a pot, and I got plantings there to cover it. But this is Earth Angel, and everyone's familiar with Earth Angel. Here's a peach drift looking lovely. Of course, that's another drift next to it, and you can see how they look beside each other. Of course, we have a yellow knockout, and I have this one kind of under a tree because I didn't want the blooms to fade quickly. So I kind of put it in a shadier area so I can enjoy the red of the yellow, the intensity of it. That's going to be a climbing blaze, and it just got planted a couple of months ago. Another rose not in bloom. Here's a spectacular rose here. Look at her, so beautiful, easy on the eyes. Look at there. Look at it faded to another color, fade to that purple. I'm so happy with it. That was a rose that's going to be a climber. No name. I rooted it. Here's a rose I got from the cemetery. Rose wrangling. So pretty. She's a pretty. Look at it faded to white in the middle of it. No name, of course, but you rose professionals are going to help me name these roses. Here goes one that's getting ready to bloom. I'm stepping in the garden, which is a no-no. I don't know the name of that. I'm going to find out the name. I have plantings in here, and I have to be careful. Here's a white one, full of buds, getting ready to bloom. Look how huge it is. It's all over there. Just a massive rose. Can't wait for it. This is the mini red knockout. I was on the train last year and got them really cheap. And this year they're selling the huge ones. They are very expensive. So here it is, here, getting ready to bloom. And this is going to grow and get big, and I can wait for that. What else we have? We have a white knockout, but look at the yellow in it. And it turns to white. Starts kind of yellow, turns to white. Another little lovely growing, and that's a peach knockout. In here, we have a lovely peachy. This is peachy drift. Over here we have a beautiful, look at the color, amazing color. Tahitian treasure. That is a treasure. We got one getting ready to bloom over here, which is a climber. Let me take you down here to this lovely. This is amazing. Isn't she a beauty? Those semi-doubles. Let me get around here. She is just showing out. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Woo. Gorgeous, right? Look here at this one. Wow. What are you? This is a red drift. It's not even fully in bloom, people. How beautiful. I passed by another one that's got some pretty in there. Fades to white. Don't see the sticker on it. It's huge. Look at this baby. Look at this baby. And it was marked just pink drift. She's gorgeous little old thing. Look at the buds to come. Can you see them? There you go. She's not even in full flower. None of these are in full flower. Here's a fairy. I've only seen the pink fairy that was just solid pink. But look at here. All kinds of colors. Let me be on here. All of these roses are babies. Oh my gosh, my iris opened. Wow, what a treat. Hi. Great to see you. Great to see you. Loving it. What else we have? I'm going down to Soggy Bottom. If all of y'all know, have seen my videos, you know about Soggy Bottom. I'm in Soggy Bottom. Here's another. This is called Sweet Drift. And she's sweet. And she's huge. Huge. Look at here at this one. Amazing. This is a peach drift. And I don't know, this here may be popcorn. A white rose. I moved from my other home to here. Look at these roses. Can you see the view of the roses? And this is not even a year-old garden. And I am so pleased with everything this year. These plants are going above and beyond, and it's so early in the season. And ta-da, look at here. At this beauty. Hey, Lady X. She's a hybrid tea. Yeah. So they're gorgeous. So that's a tour of my 100 rose garden. I'm gonna get an accurate count. I'm probably gonna be shocked, just absolutely shocked at how many roses I have. But this is early, people, very, very early in the season, April 18th. And the action is just starting. So it's gonna be so beautiful. The perennials I planted, everything is new. Some things are not even 6 months old. So I'm very happy with my little garden. And I hope you enjoyed the tour. And this is just one garden. I have several more that I'll be introducing you to. We have a little hidden gem hiding in there. Hello. And that's his partner. But isn't it lovely? And thank you for joining me. And you have a nice day.